A very good day to all my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a simple Bhindi Ka Raita or Okra Raita. In India we also call them ladies' fingers. This raita is really delicious with crispy deep fried bhindis and spiced yogurt with garlic flavor. Earlier also I've shared many raita recipes, fruit raitas, vegetable raitas. You can check them out. The playlist link will be available in the description box. You can click on that and choose a raita of your choice, because we need to have a variety to make different raitas every day. So let's get started and make today's Bhindi Ka Raita. You're going to love it. Taken 250 grams of bhindis or okra, also known as ladies' fingers in India. Wash them very well under running water and wipe each bhindi with a kitchen cloth napkin. This is an important step as the surface is hairy and there could be a lot of dirt or dust stuck on them. Now the cleaning part is done. Let's proceed to cut them. Discard both the ends and cut them into fine slices. We need very thin slices for raita. This is the way we should cut, very finely. Now sprinkle little salt on them and give them a nice mix. Heat oil and drop the bhindis. Before frying them, I've also added little rice flour and coated them so that they become very crispy. Rice flour makes them crispier. They tend to stick to each other, but you can separate. Once they are gone into hot oil, they'll be separated. Keep stirring them so that they get fried evenly. Keep the flame on medium. We don't want brown color. We want them crispier, but the color should be lighter. They'll be done in a couple of minutes as they are very thinly sliced. Remove them into a plate. Let them cool. Meanwhile, we'll whisk the yogurt. I've taken 1 cup. This is sufficient for 2 people, so you take as much as required. Add little bit of water, depending on the consistency you like. Little salt and some cumin powder and crushed black pepper. Whisk it well. Adjust the consistency to your liking. Check the taste. If salt is little less, you can add it. Now the yogurt is ready. You can transfer it into a serving bowl. Now add the crispy fried bhindi or okra, saving some for garnishing. Do the mixing part just before you are serving to retain the crispy texture of the bhindis. They tend to become little soggy if you make the raita earlier. Now we are going to add the tempering to this. Heat little bit of oil in a small pan. Once it is hot, reduce the flame and add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic finely sliced. On low flame, make it crispy. Once the garlic is crispy, switch off the flame and add little bit of Kashmiri chilli powder and immediately add the tadka to the prepared raita. Garnish with some fried crispy bhindis or okra. And it is done. You can serve it. This is very delicious raita. I'm sure you'll love it. Each spoonful is enjoyable with crispy crunchy bhindis and flavorful yogurt. So do make it and share the feedback if you liked it. Stay tuned for the next recipe and thank you for watching. Here are some videos from the archives. Check them out if you like. Take care and have a nice day.